After creating your account, you will be able to start the Know Your Customer (KYC) verification process. Begin by logging into your AdvCash account. Click on Unlock All Features or Not Verified to start the process. Note that mobile phone number verification is only possible after successfully completing identity verification. Click on the Passport ID option and then select your country of citizenship. Click on Continue to take a selfie and upload your identification documents. If you are a resident of the United States, select the first option. Otherwise, choose Other and then click on Agree and Continue. Click on I'm ready. You will then be asked to position yourself in front of the camera and turn your head as shown in the example. After completing this step, enter the country that issued your identification document and select the type of document you will provide. Note, your identification document must be valid and come from an original source. No photocopies are accepted. Upload the front and back sides of your identification document, and then click Next. The identity verification process may take from a few minutes to several hours to complete. Once verification is complete, refresh the page. Then, enter your phone number and click on Send Code. Enter the code you received via SMS and click on Verify to finalize this step.